In this video we are looking at scale diagrams. Here we've got a scale drawing of the front elevation of a church, and we have a ruler with centimetre markings. We're told that in the scale drawing 1 centimetre represents 8 metres, and we have to work out the height of the real world church. Now in the drawing we can see that the church has a height of 4 centimetres. It goes from 0 to 4 on the ruler. Now we know from the question that 1 centimetre represents 8 metres. So what does 4 centimetres represent? Well, as you may have seen when we've done proportional reasoning before, we've got a choice here. We can either work across or we can work downwards. So for example, we can see that 4 centimetres is 4 lots of 1 metre. So the real church is going to be 4 lots of 8 metres high, which is 32 metres. That's working downwards. Now you could also work across if you wanted to. You can see that 1 centimetre represents 8 times as many metres. So 4 centimetres is going to represent 8 times as many metres. So 4 times 8 gives us 32. Just take real care with the units in this situation, however. Make sure you are consistent. Whichever way you do it, however, hopefully you see you get an answer of 32 metres. Here's question B. We're told that the real church is 13.6 metres wide. So this length here is 13.6 metres in real life. Now we need to work out what the width is in centimetres of this scale diagram. I'm going to start by writing what we know. We know that 1 centimetre represents 8 metres, so I'll write that here. Now we need to work out how many centimetres represent 13.6 metres. In this question, it's probably easier to work across than to work down. That's because you have to think a bit to work out what the multiplier is here, and until you know what this is, you can't go from here down to here. So let's work across instead. To convert the number of metres in the real world into centimetres on a scale diagram, we simply divide this number by 8. So the missing number here is going to be 13.6 divided by 8. Now that's something we can do either with a calculator or like this, and we get an answer of 1.7 centimetres. Just take real care with the units, and also you can use a bit of common sense at this point. If 1 centimetre represents 8 metres, then 2 centimetres would represent 16 metres. Now 13.6 metres is a bit less than 16 metres, so it should be represented by a bit less than 2 centimetres. And that's what we've got here, something a bit less than 2 centimetres. So this answer looks sensible.